All right, I started to render it, and I actually lowered the reflection intensity because, like we were saying, we got more density, and so it just kind of got too bright. So I just lowered it down to 2. Not a big change, and it looks like this. So that's really cool. You can see there's the motion blur is on now also, so it has more of a filmic look, meaning like it looks like it's the motion blur you would expect from something being shot in a camera. And you can see we have a nice transition from the diffuse vorticity into the actual foam over here. And also the foam itself, it feels like a solid mass, which is what we want. That reflectivity really helps give it shape in the same way that, light and shadow give all kinds of 3D objects shape. So we kind of have this feeling that this is a mass of something that transmits light, but a mass of something that's it's sitting on the surface here. So that's pretty cool. If you wanted to, you could just have more whitewater upstream come into frame if you wanted to. Again, you saw the emit, the density volume, the fog volume that went into the whitewater solver. You could make your own volumes up there if you want. There's all kinds of options on the whitewater cache itself to do that. Whitewater source, I mean. You can see the middle thing here, extra source points. You can add extra sources in a lot of different ways. I mean, ultimately, again, you end up with an emission volume, so you can just do various volume operations. If you did want to have that stuff, you could even not cull it out the way that we did here when we made a mask. In any case, I would like to just focus on the one area that really would be kicking up a lot of turbulent foam and such. So I think that came out pretty good. And yeah, so one of the last main pieces we have is the whitewater along the side here. Not whitewater, I'm sorry, the wet map along the side here to actually make it look like it's wet when the liquid passes over it.